Hello, my Vlogmas people. Happy Vlogmas week 2, and not only Vlogmas week 2, but birthday week. Welcome to, this is what I'm calling Exit 29. I will be 29 on Friday, so my theme is Exit 29. You know, we're just taking a little exit to the year of 29. But really, you've missed nothing today. I have been working all day, and right now it is 4 o'clock. I'm still working, but just taking a little break, and I'm going to finish working for the rest of the day. Then I'm gonna head to the gym, and then I'm heading over after the gym to a friend's house to do some content capturing. So about the past 2 years, I've been helping a friend do some content planning and all of that for her business. And really now, knowing my niche, knowing my focus on YouTube, I'm really transitioning to focusing on myself. So this month will make the last that I'll be helping my friend do some content creation. So I'm excited to be fully dedicated to YouTube. So I hope that you follow along. I hope you are in tune and excited for all that's to come, because honestly, I just feel so great about YouTube when it comes to, I've posted some videos. You can look on this channel, and it's been videos from 9 years ago. And at that time I was 19, 20-ish. But Brianna then compared to Brianna now, I 100% authentically know who I am, to therefore not try to emulate what I would see, as opposed to the 19, 20-year-old self, where, you know, I just wanted to emulate the things that I saw and just reproduce those. But that's not the case anymore. I'm here to honestly just inspire, as well as show my process when it comes to life. I certainly don't know what I'm doing a lot of the time, but I just figure it out and hope that it ends well. And I'm very religious, so when it comes to, you know, leaning on God and my faith, that's been extremely helpful. But overall, just wanting to document what life is, so I can look back and see just the ways of growth and transformation, but ultimately, you know, hopefully inspire some people along the way. So really now I've just been focusing on my home journey, but there's gonna be lots of things that this channel is just going to be showing, because I love traveling, I love exploring. I'm a type 7 for Enneagram, so if you know anything about them, you know I am outside the box. I love to explore, pick up and go, so I can only hope that you will see that through my lens and life. But ultimately, today is going to be a chill day, so I will just show you what I get into later. All right, guys, here we go. This is inspiring me. I kind of want to decorate my table and
beautiful.
Alrighty, friends. I'm just leaving Target right now, but consider this my PSA that if you have not gone to the dollar section, you have to go. I got so many little trinkets for Christmas, and just the amount of money I spent, beautiful. Just go to Target if you have not already. I'm gonna do a full haul later on today, but just go to Target. All right, so you heard my PSA at Target, but now I'm here to actually show you why I had to give a PSA, right? My plan for going to Target and Target alone for one thing was Hickory Farm turkey summer sausage, right? And just another PSA. If you have not had that before, you need to have it. It's like a holiday special and it is so good. It has like maple in it, like it has a sweet kind of flavor to it. And I kid you not, you will not be disappointed. I went there solely for that at Target and they didn't even have any in stock. So now I'm on the hunt to get some more because it was $5.99 as opposed to the Hickory Farm store where I originally got it for $8.99. So just that PSA there. Clearly did not get sausage, but this is what I did get, right? So we went to Target and also went to Dollar Tree. But have in mind, I spent $50 for these things. All of this was in the dollar section. And I had a $10 gift card. So, you know, technically it was in the 60s, but I spent 50 of my own money. So let me just show you some other little items I got. So saw these trees. They were $3 and I thought it'd be perfect to put on my table. This sign here that says Merry Christmas, it's like the perfect shade of green. Figured it would be lovely to like use in photos. I'm having a holiday party, or personally you can just like set it somewhere. Got these Christmas towels and these were $5. Also, this was $5 as well. But it says Christmas memories are my favorite memories. And we just have some simple stuff that can be hung over the oven. And okay, these, I already have 5 of them. I got these from my hometown Target and I've been on the prowl looking for more and I did not stumble upon any until today. So these baskets are $5 and one, aren't they so cute? Like I love that it's the simplistic like black and white. So many things you can use them for. I plan to use the ones that I have, which I'll show you. Like they're not necessarily set out correctly, but I have these in my pantry. So I plan to use them in my pantry for things like, you know, potatoes, onions, or other vegetables for the pantry, or under the cabinet for like storage in the bathroom, whatever. And then I got these, like these were $5 and I could not help myself. So like easily, they had a bigger size, they had this size, they even had I think another one smaller. They also had matching mason jars, all of that. But I got 3 for now because how I'm thinking is I want to use it for flour, sugar, and like maybe grits or something like that, but definitely in the kitchen. Saw these matching like salt and pepper shakers, like seasoning jars. This kind of just works for some salt and pepper, but I thought match perfectly together. And then from my Dollar Tree haul, I spent $12. I just needed some cleaning things. I would like to say I got 4 of these at my hometown Target when I got the other baskets the first time. These were $3. So best believe I got 4 of those to go into every bathroom and it's perfect, perfect. So overall, don't sleep on Target. If you have not gone to Target, please be my guest and do it. Please do it. Your pockets and yourself will thank you. So do it because Brianna said so. Okay, my fabulous, fabulous friends. Today is Wednesday, December 8th, which means 2 days before it's my birthday. And I've been waiting to do this with you guys. So I've had my like birthday outfits for quite a while, but I was waiting for this week to do a try on haul with you guys. So I'm gonna like try on, I have 2 dresses. I have 2 skirts and 1 bodysuit. So fingers crossed that it all fits. So I'm not like scrambling to try to figure out what to wear now, but I feel pretty solid and good about these options. So let's do a little try on haul. I got these items from Shein, honestly, like a month ago. So I'm excited. Let's try it on. Let's see how they look. this is outfit number 1. I kind of love it. It is giving sheer and goodness. So this is dress number 1. This is dress number 2. You know, sticking to the brown, kind of like marble fam. This one isn't as tight, but I kind of dig it. I think I'm loving the first dress so far though. I think that's my favorite. So we got this one sleeve bodysuit and this skirt. I think it looks perfect together. It kind of gives like a little sophistication, but I don't know, like I really like it. I think it's like plain and simplistic, but gives you some flair with the one shoulder, and like the skirt's really warm and like very comfortable and not like super like tight or anything. So I'm into it. What do we think? Voila. And this is the final piece. We have the skirt. So honestly loving all of the pieces I got. Super affordable, super cute, and like versatile. Like this top or this bodysuit can be worn with either skirts, and like that's typically my thing. I like to have multiple wears but in different ways and different styles. So I feel like this is perfect. This is like kind of sophistication, but also we can dress it down a bit. So this is the final look. Yo. Today is Thursday, December 9th, and it's my last day being a 28-year-old. Like, this is the last time that you're gonna see me as a 28-year-old before tomorrow. So, you know, monumental day or whatever. But yesterday I really did not like video a lot. Partially because I didn't do a lot, but I did a clothing haul yesterday for birthday outfits. That was really fun. But other than that, I worked and I got down the road. I came to my hometown because my family and I have this tradition that every year on my birthday, I always see my mom and dad. And so typically they'll come to Charlotte to see me. But I wanted to come home, spend a little bit of time for a little bit, and also I'll get to wake up and see my grandma too. And so I don't actually know if I've ever said this on here, but so my grandma, she's one of my best friends. She's 98 years old, and so I just love that woman dearly. So before closing and signing on my house, I moved back to my hometown because of the delays. And so I spent roughly like 9 months in my hometown with my family, and it was truly life-changing. It was honestly the best time I ever had. And so really just like jiggered like my love for them and like the effort that I do want to give to make sure that like not being far away, I'm still, you know, showing up and being present. So yeah, I didn't do a lot yesterday, and I got down on the road, came to my hometown, spent time with family, and truly went to sleep. Like, I was tired, so I went to sleep. So today is Thursday, December 9th, and I am at home and I've just been working. It's my lunch break. I'm going to go pick up my contacts because they're ready for pickup. I need to get air in my tire, and I need to run to Aldi real quick. So I'm going to do that really quickly over lunch, then come back. But I'm really excited about tonight because once I'm done working, I have some family and we are going to Tanglewood Festival of Lights. So I'm excited because I have not been there since I was a little girl. So I'm excited to see all the lights and just kind of get into the holiday spirit. So I'm excited to take you with me for that.
So here's a light show at hand.
Been said many times, many ways, Merry